When I saw this on TikTok, I knew this was going to be the best pot roast I've ever had in my life. All right, first I'm going to season the pot roast. I seasoned mine with garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Then I went ahead and seared all sides of it. I'm talking about front, back, side to side. Made sure it was a nice char on there, and I set that to the side. Then we're going to melt down a whole stick of butter. After that's melted, we're going to add 1 whole diced onion and 1 whole diced bell pepper. Then about 4 cloves of garlic. All right, then we're going to cook the veggies down a little bit. Then we're going to add our carrots. When the carrots cook down a little bit, I'm going to add this whole 16-ounce jar of pepperoncini juice and the pepperoncinis. Now, this is where you got to trust the process. We added 1 pack of ranch seasoning, pack of au jus gravy, and a pack of beef stew. Then we're going to mix that together and add a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. Then I put 8 ounces of beef broth in the tomato sauce can to rinse it out and put that in there. And then we're going to mix it up real well. Once that's mixed together real well, we're going to go ahead and throw a couple bay leaves in there, and we're going to let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Now, since I don't have a crock pot, I left my pot roast in the pan. Then I went ahead and poured this gravy on top. And before covering with foil, went ahead and threw a sprig of rosemary and thyme on top. Then I placed it in the oven at 300 degrees for about 3 hours. And when that's done, you can serve it over mashed potatoes like I did. It came out real tender and packed with flavor. This was a nice hearty meal I'll definitely be making again.